My local council has done some gorgeous things with the streetscape, but one of my favourites is that they have placed some really large round balls, or baubles as I like to call them, in the trees. They light up after dark and create a gorgeous ambience, which got me thinking, how difficult would they be to create for myself? As it turned out, not too difficult at all.
All you're going to need for this project are 2 of these little wire hanging baskets, some matching green wire to tie them together, and a set of solar lights in the same colour. I'm using 180 solar lights, and that seems to be just enough. The next thing we're going to do is remove any labels and the chains from the hanging baskets, so you're left with 2 half circles just like this. Next thing we're going to do is take the wire and join the 2 half circles together. You can do it just randomly at different intervals if you wish, but I like to run the wire all the way around just to keep them extra tight. And once you've completed going around with the wire, you'll end up with a ball or a bauble just like this. Have a look at your ball and you'll find that there's a distinct centre for it, and then you just start bringing the lights around in a line, and you follow the lines right around. You can either do it by twisting them, but I just attach it every now and again with another little piece of wire. You just keep on winding the lights around the bauble in any pattern you like until you've completely wound them all onto the bauble. That, we just take them outside, add the hook and place them in the tree, wait for nightfall and see the magic.
Now, I love these so much that I'm putting them in all the trees around. How are you going with yours?